Okay, so in this video, let me show you how you can fix some of the cellular issues which could have happened on your iPhone, meaning that the cellular data is not working properly. So there are some things which you can do about it. The first one is to, of course, make sure that the cellular data is enabled. For me, it's not even possible because it's grayed out. In this case, it literally tells me that it's turned off, but without the option to re-enable it. The reason for it is that I don't even have a SIM card installed in my iPhone. So if I go into the main section and go to the cellular, you can see I have to set it up like this. So for me, I'd have to go through the process and set up my eSIM. I have a full tutorial on the Foxtecc YouTube channel, which you can definitely go ahead and check out. It's pretty simple to go through, but you have to follow the instructions. It's already there. However, you can set it up by using the QR code or transferring from the nearby iPhone, but the whole setup cellular thing is referring to adding an eSIM. But this is the iPhone 15, which you're seeing on the screen, and the point is that this iPhone was purchased in Europe, and still in these countries, you still have physical SIM slot available to be pulled out from the phone. So in case you have that phone or live in a country where it's supported, you can still insert an actual SIM card and then be able to use it. But that's basically the entire process behind it. Also, if the cellular button is grayed out, and it's not because you don't have it set up, it's for a different reason. The reason could be that some kind of restriction is going on. So if you go to the screen time section and go to the safety, content, and privacy restrictions, I don't have anything enabled in here because it's not really my thing. But if you do have it enabled, you may find yourself not being able to set up the cellular stuff, so it could be somewhere around in here. So the safest way is to simply disable all of the content and privacy restrictions at once, and you just know that nothing's going to restrict. Because for example, here are cellular data changes. If you have it on don't allow, you will not be able to turn on or off the cellular data. So just make sure that you don't have any privacy restrictions enabled. Now, there are of course other things which could go wrong when it comes to cellular data. You can easily just reset it by enabling the airplane mode like that, and then you just bring it back again. So you restart the cellular connection. Then you also can check out if your iPhone has cellular coverage. So you can see at the top there is the signal bar. For me, it's just a mock-up because it's 9:41, but it's not like the real time. I'm just connected the iPhone is connected to my Mac, and it just shows like full battery, full signal and everything. So for me, it says full, but make sure that your coverage is proper and that you actually are in a covered area. So that is that, of course. Then you can, of course, just restart the iPhone, turn off VPN in case you have some VPN enabled. Then you can, of course, just uninstall it or look it up inside of the app and see if you have any VPN ready, or if you can restart it in that way. VPN is basically like a middleman in between you and connecting to the internet. So in case you have some problems, just delete that to see or to have like direct access to the internet. So that's definitely something to pay attention to. And if not, you can still reset all of your network settings. So if you open up the settings like this, go to the general, and if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, there is a transfer or reset iPhone. So if you click on reset right here, you can reset all settings, or just the network settings, and you reset that. And keep in mind that your iPhone will forget all of the Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices, which you can reconnect, of course, but it's going to reset all of the networks, including the cellular. So it could theoretically help you with some data being non-functional. So that's something to pay attention to as well. But at the end of the day, you will likely have to contact your carrier because they are going to know the best, or they are going to be able to identify the proper reason why it's not working for you. We can only guess, but your carrier may just tell you that you don't have something prepaid, or something is not working because of X or Y or whatever. So you definitely have to get in touch with them and see if they can fix or at least assist you in this specific problem. And if not, you can of course just chat with Apple as well, but they're going to tell you the same stuff which I showed you. So this is not going to help you that much. Contacting the carrier is going to be much more beneficial to you. So this is what I would recommend you. And what I would also recommend you is to check out the link down below in the description, which is going to get you to the Foxtecc educational platform. There you can watch informational content about social media, like video editing, in-depth iPhone guides. I'm currently working on the full guide and explanation guide on the dynamic island. So in case you're going to buy like iPhone 15 or 14 Pro, and you don't know if you could or should use the dynamic island or what, then you can go ahead and watch that guide and find out about dynamic island. So yeah, I'm working on that currently, so you definitely go ahead and check it out. Link is going to be down below in the description. For now, thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up, and I will see you in the future.